Hi everyone, I'm Vance Stevens. I'm in Thailand at the moment. I'm doing some workshops and for the English Language Specialist program, and I'm doing a plenary later on, and I'll tell you more about that in a moment. But meanwhile, here's my Facebook page and the plenary that I'm doing. I'm an invited speaker at the Thai TESOL conference, and there's my picture there. The plenary is on flipped learning, and it's called the why, what, how of flipped learning, so basically. So because it's on flipped learning, well, it's on flipped learning because everything I'm doing at the conference and at the workshops before that are flipped. That means that I'm letting people see in advance what I will be doing, and I'm then doing it, and then at the end of it there's an archive. Because I'm doing it that way, and because I'm involved with the Electronic Village Online, let me get you the Electronic Village Online page. There you are. So that Electronic Village Online, I'm one of the coordinators there, and this is Electronic Village Online, which is at evosessions.pbworks.com, as you can see, does workshops, or you could say webinars, combination workshop webinars for 5 weeks every year in January and February. And you can get a list of them by scrolling on that page. It's a call for participation right there. It's open now. The workshops are going on now. And here's a list of them. So there's one on flipped learning. Okay, so that flipped learning workshop is here. And I'm going to stream the plenary, I hope, this plenary. I'm going to stream it in such a way that the flipped learning workshop can use it as part of their session. Okay, so my own session is on Minecraft. So we have a look at it there. That's Evo Minecraft MOOC. That's what I'm doing at the in the Evo Electronic Village Online session. So if you click there, you'll come on to eventually you'll come on to missions for Minecraft, also at also at minecraftmooc.org. So either of those URLs will get you there. This is something that I'm hooking up with Learning Together. I tell people when people want to know who I am, I tell them I'm at learningtogether.net. Learningtogether.net looks like this. There's learningtogether.net right there. Okay, so learningtogether.net is a webinar series I've been doing since 2010. And the last session we did was on, here we go. This is the last session we did on Evo Minecraft MOOC. So Evo Minecraft MOOC looked like this when it was a Learning Together session when it started just recently. And this is the team. This is the people who are in Evo Minecraft MOOC enjoying themselves on the server. So we meet virtually, and we've also met face-to-face from time to time. But basically, here in Thailand, I'm doing these workshops for the English Language Specialist program. And I'm anticipating flipping the workshops. I'm giving basically 2 workshops in different modules. There are 6 modules. One of them is on becoming a model teacher, and the other one is on writing in tech-enhanced multiliterate classrooms. And in the becoming a model teacher, if you go to the tools that we're using, you'd come out on this page right here. And there's the top of that page. This is one of the workshops. It includes some tuition in screencasting and screen capture. So these workshops are being shown to the participants even as we speak right now. They haven't done the workshop yet, but this one is on Screencast-O-Matic, which is what I'm using right now to record this introduction. And so anyway, that's part of what I'm doing here in Thailand. I'm doing 2 weeks of workshops like this. So if you want to know more about me, you can come over to my my home page. Let's see, this is it right here. This is vancestevens.com, and vancestevens.com/papers will take you into sort of a not all that updated right now list of my publications. And well, here's my publications here. So basically I've got 133 publications listed here. They're all online, so if you, well, not all of them, but many of them are online. So if you want to read any of my recent work, like I'm giving a workshop, for example, on coding and English language teaching, if you want to read a publication about that, you can get it here. So basically, that's me, Vance Stevens, and if you're in one of my workshops, or if I see you in Electronic Village online, I look forward to meeting you there. Okay, bye for now.